Good day, guys. Being here. Today I'm going to try to finish this these requests from the shared document. So I think there are two left. This one. Yeah. Before moving on to some requests in this Reddit community. Okay, so we're going to do these two. First one, let's have a look at this one. Okay, so perforated patterns. Unfortunately, I don't think there's a good way of doing this in Revit. So it will always become very heavy. So because once you add multiple void. So for example, this one, you can probably try to create some materials with cut out, and it can still be it's not very good. So I'll actually show you. So if you really need to create these patterns and try to cut in the model, so you can always create a pattern create a face-based family with void. So I'll just quickly show you. So generic model, face-based. Okay, so with this one you can add create a void onto this base. So I'll just quickly, maybe I'll just do some shape, right? So just very simple shape. You can do copy them, right? So you can create something like that, right? And then you can finish this one. So let's have a look in 3D view. So this void, now we just need to, you can type in a negative number. So for example, negative 100, and then use cut geometry, pick this base, pick the void. So now you have a face-based void family. So now what you can do is with this family is you can create a project, and let's place a wall, WA. I'll just create a wall, not Western Australia, okay? So and then place this one, go onto the wall, so go to 3D view. So you can see as soon as you click on the wall, so this will create looks like a thickness of because we have that the depth at 100. If you want to cut through that thick wall, so you can increase this by just giving thicker bigger number, right? So load this one and override, go to 3D view, so you'll see now it's cutting through this wall. So of course you can also change the wall thickness if you need to. So and then you can array, so AR something like that, file, so to cut more, right? So cut more holes. I'll try to move this to the left. Yeah, so I think, and also for curved, not really sure. So let's try if I create a curved wall, and we can probably still cut holes onto the the issue we have is when we in some special situation, so like the thickness is like touching the edge of the wall, something like that. So to try to avoid that, we can increase this by certain amount, so to make it very deep. So override, go to 3D view, try again. Let's select that thing, CS, create similar, and now still can't cut. And also so not only the other side, so it's not only this side creating issue, and also this side. So we can just give it a big number. Okay, so make sure so no ends of this void extrusion is touching or near the the wall face. So let's load this one, into that. Override, go to 3D view, try again. Tab, select CS, create similar. Yeah, so now you can see this time you can create this. So, and then you can also, copy. Doesn't work, sorry. So it looks like we need to create a new one. So because it needs to match the surface of the wall, right? So you can once you place this one, I think you can just drag it. Oh, yeah, doesn't work. Maybe use your keyboard to to adjust these, right? So it's not perfect, but it's possible. Looks like we can't copy this because it's curved. You need to create a new one. So anyway, so this is how I will do it if I have to, right? So you can just create so for example, or even for this one, you can create a very tall, sorry, ignore this. So you can create something, a face-based family with all these, right? And then can repeat this one. So yeah, so this is it. I hope yeah, so this will help. Okay, so this is it. So now let's have a look at the other one. Okay, so let's go back. So basically we can use a face-based family to do that. Where's the other one? So okay, yes. So this one, model this dome and GRC legs, this bit. So this one I think can be done just using model in place, like normal generic model. So what I'm going to do is maybe I'll just do a screenshot of this part. Maybe I'll just do this. Okay, and I'll save this as a file. Okay, so I'll save it on my desktop. So now let's go to Revit. So for this one, I'll close this face-based family. Maybe I'll close this one as well. So it needs to be a generic model or model in place. Maybe you can just do it in model in place. Let's do it in model in place. So at least we have some reference of levels, right? So okay, so now go to an elevation. Okay, elevation, and before we do that, because we are going to use revolve, so we will need a vertical reference plane. So before we do that, I'll just do a reference plane in here. So maybe I'll just do it, something like this. So I have this one. So I'll call this west, east, WE maybe. Okay, so this one will be north, south, and S. Okay, so now we have this. So we're going to model something like here. Okay, so first let's go to maybe south elevation, and then we can drag that in. So you can drag that image in, or I'll just use where's the image? Here. So my desktop capture, right? So CA, okay, that's the one. Open, place it. Okay, so first we need to scale it. So roughly, I'm not really sure what the height need to be, but we can let's assume this is it. Okay, so maybe this is let's say this is a floor level. I'll move it to the center. All right, so see, this is a reference plane, so I'll just drag this up. Okay, so now this is the center of this image, and then we can start to create that model in place. Go to architecture, under component, place wrong one, model in place, and we're going to just use a generic model for now. So now first we need to create a revolve. First we need to set a work plan to place that access line and also the boundary line, right? So we will need to place so this is north south. We need to place it onto the west east. So let's set work plan, because we already named reference plan, so it can be easily picked from here. Otherwise, you need to go to floor plan to pick that reference plane. So here, let's pick this reference plane west east. Okay. Now, click on revolve. First axis line will be this one. Okay. So just draw a line. Doesn't matter the length or anything. And then we can create a boundary line. So for this boundary line, so I'm going to just very roughly create this. So just ignore that bit at the top. I'm not sure how it looks like, but maybe I'll just start from here. Okay, so first, we will need a line in the middle, but for now, maybe I'll start with this boundary line. So I'm not really sure. I'll just start from here. Maybe it's an arc. I'm not sure. Maybe let's do this. All right. So now come down to here. Looks like there's another shape. So I'll just roughly do something like this, and then there will be an arc something like this. Okay, and continue this arc down to here. So yeah, tangent. Okay, so now become straight lines, and some little arc, 45 degree. Okay, and not really sure about this bit. I'll just do another one. Okay, and then another one, something like this. Right, and then another one. So 90 degree and become horizontal. Come down and arc. Okay, and come down on vertical, and this one looks like another arc, and then vertical. Okay, so vertical. So I think that's probably it, and then we can stop here, and then we can't create this void in the revolve, so we're going to just I think a thickness roughly here, I guess. Okay, so and then we just need to go all the way up and then try to give some thickness. So let's have a look at what's do our dimension. Let me just TL so the line becomes thicker. So roughly, okay. So maybe I'll just make it 500 offset 500 for all the top bit, right? So at least we have some thickness. We can create this. So for this bit, I'll see if I can. We can't trim because this is on the. Maybe I'll just just connect this to the SQ here. Yeah. Okay. So TR. So now we can just draw this. Finish this by just connect the top and this. Right. So now we have this closed shape, and then we can finish. Okay, so now let's have a look. Go to maybe 3D view. I'll finish this one for now, so you can see we have a shape like this. All right, and from inside. Yeah. Okay, so the next step is let's have a look. Go to south elevation. Oh, hang on. HH. Oh, hang on. Looks like we need to adjust something. So you can see from this line below that, it's not curved. It's actually looks like hexagon, or I don't. You're not really sure. Maybe hexagon shape. It's instead of a circular shape. So what we need to do is let's just go edit. So I'll just adjust the profile. Okay, so from this point I'll just finish it. Trim, delete. Okay, so finish this. Now for this bit, so from this here, I'm going to use a different method. So instead of using revolve, because we can't do that shape. Alright, so I'm going to use, let's go back to the modeling place. I'll use sweep. Okay, so because sweep, we have option to make it a different shape, hexagon, or any other shape. Okay, so I'm going to use pick path because we already have this. So let's just pick these two. Oh, hang on. Let me think. Yeah, let's try. So finish and go edit profile. So I'll see if I can see this symbol. This is side view of that origin, or what's that called, reference plan, whatever. So that, you know, cross shape symbol or whatever. We need to go to the east or west. So if I go to east, you will see that's that, right? So because we don't have an image here, so actually I'm going to just, you know, I'll draw something, right, and finish this sweep. So now go back to south elevation, because we have this image here, right? So I'll finish this model, select this image, Control C, go to east elevation. So I'll paste it here, or maybe Control V, and then adjust the view, the crop region, and I'll just move this down to, you know, to match the model we have, right? So you can type WF if you, so to make it transparent, and yeah, I think that's probably it. And then we can just go edit this model in place, select this, edit sweep, select profile, edit profile. So now we can try to, you know, adjust this. So let's just try to change the profile to match the image. Okay, so, oh sorry, wrong one. Star ends arc. Okay, so delete this, and this one come down, and then just give it some thickness, right? So, and then I think that's probably it, and then we can just finish this one. So now go to 3D view, so we can take this how do we pronounce it? Trajectory segmentation. Anyway, so let's take this one, type in 90 degree. No, 60 degree. Yeah, so to make it like a hexagon shape. So now let's have a look. Actually, we need to adjust. So you can see when we change that one, the size changed slightly. So let's figure out how, you know, how much we need to, you know, adjust this size. So I'll just use copy CC 550, something like that, 551, so 0.2. So I'm going to just edit profile and move this in by 551.2. Okay, so now finish this. Actually, it's not really 5 point. You need to go out a little bit. Yeah, so I'll just roughly move it by, yeah, I think that's good enough. So now sorry about that. So now we have this, right? And then go to south elevation again, and then we can just, you know, cut some void here. So hang on, looks like something's not quite right. So you can see it's, yeah.
Daddy! I got a flying flush there.
Okay.
It couldn't go down, so we just covered the top.
Okay. Okay. Can you close the door, please?
Yes. We're just getting out. Okay. I love you. Yeah.
Sorry about that. Okay, so it looks like it might not be a hexagon. What's that? Octagon. Oh, anyway, so see here, right? So south elevation. So let's try. Maybe I'll change this one to 45 degree. I think. Yes, that's better. And then we need to adjust. Okay, so that's fine. So edit. Maybe go to east elevations. So it looks like we need to move this back to here, and finish. Yeah, I think that's better. So you can see, yeah, it matches the side. Okay, great. So now we just need to, you know, cut the void, right? So for the void, it will be very simple. Just, you know, create a void. So I'm going to use so this is a south elevation, so I'm going to use the east-west reference plane. Just make sure it's already there. Create a void, and so let's just do a which one do I use? Star ends arc, maybe center. Okay, maybe center ends arc. Okay, center ends arc. So because we have this center quite easily, so type WF first, and then probably the center is not here, it's about here. So I'm going to maybe start no, center ends arc, that's fine. So roughly I'll just roughly pick here and start from here, go all the way. No, maybe just stop here and drag it down. Okay, so now we can just finish this by just create another one and finish and finish. So we need a cut. So that's fine. Go to 3D view. So we need to make sure it cuts. Otherwise, it won't let you finish this model in place mass. Model in place. So now we have this one. So let's just maybe type in a number. So I just want to make sure when I rotate it, it's in the middle. So I don't need to manually place the middle, right? So now we have this void. Let's go to maybe even go to the top or bottom. I'll use RO rotate. And you take this box, so rotate by 45 degree, right? So copy this, do it again, 45, do it again, 45, right? So we have all the void, and then so all the three are automatically cutting the solid, but not this one. That's fine. Cut geometry, and that's all. So now we have this, and what's next? So these legs, or not legs, columns, can be. So if you just want to quickly model them, you can just do a simple revolve. So and I think. Sorry about that. So yeah. So basically, I think hang on. So yeah, how can we do it so we can easily move it around? Because sometimes you need to move a model, you need to move the reference plane instead. So because for this one's fine. Hang on. Yeah, it looks fine. Oh, good. So we're going to create that column. So let's go to south elevation. So maybe how should I do that? Yeah, I will probably just do it here. So yeah, let's just do it here. I'll just create reference plane first. I'll just do a reference plane RP, just place it in the middle of this image, and I'll just directly just create hang on. Not only we need this yes, we can still use the west and east. Okay, so that's fine. So let's create a model in place, generic model again, and then set our plane onto the east and west east reference plane again. So we can use this as a axis line, right? And then also create a shape using boundary line. So I'll just roughly do it. So can't really say the detail of this, but I'll just just do some arcs, right? So arcs and arcs. Okay, so and then maybe just a horizontal line, maybe come down, or even or maybe just copy from here. So DM, just mirror it down. So yeah, just let's pretend this is the one. Okay, so this is the shape we need. Okay, and then we finish this by just connect here to here, right? So and now we have this column. So now we just need to finish this one and go back to maybe go to 3D view, have a look. So it will be placed not along with that. So but that's fine. We can go to the bottom, and then we can need to go there, right? So I'll see if we can move move this. Looks like our untick the constraint still doesn't work. So this is because we placed onto a reference plane that in the middle. So one option is we can move this one. So to, you know, for example, move to the left. Oh, hang on, not this one. Maybe we should. Yeah, maybe it's. Okay, it's being placed onto the southeast. So let's have a look inside plan. I'll say if, yeah, it's here, WF. See if I can copy this one. I'll CC this. Yeah, it looks only it moved. So yeah, if I think probably it's, let's just do it this way. So copy CC, maybe CC down shift. Now just so this, when you copy with shift, so you just enforce it to dissociate with this reference plane. So it means it no longer locked onto this reference plane. So in this case, we can probably just do this. Okay, so now I'll delete this one, and we can easily move this. I'll do it again. So MV, okay. So what I did is MV SC snap center point. So because this is easy, you can easily, because there's a circle hitting this shape, you can easily use SC snap center point. And then I want to place on, you know, this point roughly center of this shape. So what you can do is S2. So you can tab S2. So S2 is snap the center point of 2 click. So and then next you can probably just click somewhere, click 2 points, right? So I'm going to use, what do I use? Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe this one and this one. So we'll see. The triangle shape is where this column will be placed. Okay. Maybe you need to go back a little bit. Maybe I'll maybe move to the middle a little bit, something like this. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. Yeah. Okay, so now let's have a look in 3D view. So yeah, it's being placed here. Quite nice. And then we can go to a side plan. So we can do a array. So because we will need 8 of these, so we can do AR. Oh, hang on. What's going on? Looks like when we do AR, it automatically go back to this. This is not good. Maybe, how about rotate? RO? Yeah, rotate is fine. Okay, so that's fine. So we can just space to place the center point of this rotation, and also with this box checked. So we can just do here, right? So in the 45 degree, and then we can also use a mirror. So select this MM. So you can pick this one, right? You can do MM again. So now we have 8. So let's have a look in 3D view. So this is it. Yeah, this is quite don't worry about that. We can change the shape of this. Okay, so maybe you can just, you know, continue this up. Hang on, it's a bit tricky. Maybe not this. Maybe this bit. Let's make it point. Okay, yeah, that's better. So yeah, it's yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, hopefully this yeah, I think this one looks better. So, and also, yeah, try to get rid of that line. To get rid of that line, we just need to make this, you know, tangent. So instead of just create a straight line, we just do an arc and then try to find that point, find this, right? So now this will have, oh, this is very pointy, but yeah. So, you know, yeah, look, should there be a like a ball kind of thing? Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, you know what I'm trying to do, right? So and yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, all these patterns, yeah, you can just probably just create, and then create probably one or two, and then you can just rotate a array to create that the whole thing. So I think this is it. So we finally finish all the requests from the previous shared document. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just you can create a post here. So and yeah, you can add a what's that called, flare to it. See these, so it's easier. So and for everyone. So I know that these are not answered, and once answered, I'll just put in answered there, and then so this is it. Okay, so yeah, probably I don't need to upload this one, right? So it's quite a simple one. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.